Hi, it's Elizabeth. I'm here today with some of my jewelry that I have assembled from various elements of old jewelry and some other bits and pieces. And I thought that y'all might like to see it. I have people ask me sometimes about the jewelry that I make out of my bits and pieces, and so I have a whole bunch here that I will show you. So this one, it's either jet or French jet. It's an older necklace, and the way I have it, I've got this frame brooch, and then I hung this cute little face thing on it. So there's that. So you can get the idea of what that one looks like. And you can put this one on all different ways. Okay, this is gonna take me a little bit of time here to switch over all of the pieces. Now this one, this is another probably French jet necklace. It's long, not quite as old as the other one. And I've got it doubled up, and I have an Israel brooch hanging on it. It's really cool piece of jewelry. So I like to do this with beads, and I like to do it with chains. I like to do it with watch chains, bits and pieces. This is a flapper length glass beaded necklace, and I have adorned it with a beautiful old brooch. I'm trying to lay these all out very carefully so they don't get tangled up. Okay, and next is this one, which is a beautiful vintage chain, gold tone chain, and I have it closed where you know, there's the dangle, like a lavalier sort of a style in the front. You can close it anywhere you want to, really. This one's very simple, and I have on it a gold-filled charm that I got, and it says "Be My Valentine" on it. The other side says 2/14/72. Okay. Okay, I just put this one together. Oops. Turn that over. Okay, so this is a watch chain, and the back of the necklace is a sterling bracelet. Okay, and I've got those clipped together. I have a cute little element here. And then hanging on this is an old porcelain, probably Chinese pendant. And then hanging from that is another part of a watch chain. And I have incorporated a piece of old Avon plastic jewelry to it. I bought a bunch of plastic Avon earrings from Jackie Purvis, and there happened to be one extra of this white one. I got 3 of them instead of just 2, so I added that to my selection of bits for necklaces. Okay. All right. Well, this one is not terribly exciting. It is just an old vintage necklace, and I have put on it this gorgeous brass old dress clip, and I think it's beautiful. Yeah, these are all part of my own collection, but I do have a couple that I will be selling at the end of the month when I'm on a sale with Jude and Cindy on Jude's channel. We're having an art show. This one's just pretty, also very simple. Added that king cut. Okay. All right. Now this one. This is a watch chain, and this one is a sterling handmade chain bracelet, and I have them attached here with a little Native American ring, and hanging from is probably a Victorian pencil, and this is a little knife that my grandmother used to carry with her. Let me see if I can show you the here. You can see the pencil. You just pull it out and push it back in, which I thought was very, very cool. So there we go. Okay. Now this one, let's see, this is a watch chain. And the other part is a watch chain as well. It's a much longer one. And I've got hanging from it gold-filled locket that I got from Miss Lydia a couple of years ago on my wedding anniversary. And I put pictures of me and my hubby in it. You know, from when we were young. And then I have hanging at a lower level I have this beautiful stone fish. Okay. Alright, just a few more, I think. Okay, and I've got this one. This one is made from a book chain necklace. It's vintage. I'm not sure whether it was, whether it was antique or not. It was missing a lot of the beads on it and stuff, so I just arranged things a little bit how I wanted them to be, and I hung a tiger's eye cicada from it, and I think that that's beautiful. And this one just goes over the head. You can take the cicada off of it if you wanted to. I attached the cicada using the original clasp. Okay. Alright, this one. This one is made with a sterling silver chain that I had turned into a necklace quite some time ago. And this is another watch chain over here. And then I've got hanging from it beautiful enamel butterfly pendant. And then hanging down at the end, and I'm not sure whether I like this very much or not. I mean, I love the idea, but I'm just not sure whether I like the execution. But I have this mother of pearl leaf with a name on it. It's quite old, and it says Bernice. And I just thought that was very sweet. So that's how that one is. Okay. All right. Now this one is another watch chain, and I'm going to double it up here so you'll be able to see it a little bit better. This one's a long watch chain, so I have it sort of doubled up. This is a modern finding, and then here I attached as the pendant a watch fob. So this is, it's got a monogram of an M on it. And as you can see, even though I really prefer sterling over gold or mixed metals, in this type of thing, I really enjoy mixing the metals and the styles. Okay, so this is the last one that I'll be showing in this video. Okay, so this one, beautiful turquoise. And let me see, this is a gold-filled bracelet that I have. And let's see. Yeah, this one is a watch chain. And let me see. I believe, I cannot remember if this one is a watch chain or no. I believe this one is just a bracelet. So got that set up. So anyways, I hope that you had fun looking at some of my stuff, and I will talk to you later. Bye.